Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Filebeat and Elasticsearch on VPS step by step clearly. To get started, you'll need to log in to your VPS using SSH. Once logged in, ensure your package list is updated. You can do this by running the command sudo apt update. Next, you'll want to install Filebeat. Use the command sudo apt install Filebeat. After the installation is complete, we need to enable the services. First, let's enable Filebeat with sudo system to enable Filebeat. Now, we'll start the Filebeat service. Use the command sudo system to start Filebeat. To ensure Filebeat is running correctly, check its status. Run sudo system to status Filebeat. If it's active and running, you've successfully activated Filebeat. Now, let's move on to Elasticsearch. First, ensure that Java is installed, as Elasticsearch requires it. You can install OpenJDK with the command sudo apt install OpenJDK 11. Once Java is installed, add the Elasticsearch GPG key. Run git qo https://artifacts.elastic.co/gpg-key-elasticsearch sudo apt key add dash. Next, add the Elasticsearch repository to your system. Use the command echo deb https://artifacts.elastic.co/packages/7.x/app-stable-main sudo ts/etc. Now, update your package list again with sudo apt update. You can now install Elasticsearch using the command sudo apt install Elasticsearch. Once use the command sudo system to enable Elasticsearch. Next, start the Elasticsearch service with sudo system to start Elasticsearch. To check if Elasticsearch is running, use the following command curl-x get localhost 9200. You should see a JSON response indicating that Elasticsearch is up and running. With Filebeat and Elasticsearch now activated, you can start configuring your data inputs as needed. You're all set to begin using these powerful tools for your data analysis. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.